Our agent, so ngibheka ama-buy opportunity inside the inversion fair value gap. So sine 1:4 ne-second target 1:7 RR. Yiyo leya inversion fair value gap engibhaye kuyo. So la uma ungachecka ngimakha the opening hour every time angiqala ngibheka leya nto leyo. So lana sinane sine short term high that was created. So i-price izo-trader above yona expected. So ithe mayibuye i-connection bese ilaphaya irrespectile nayo leya inversion fair value gap. So labo ungaphuma because 1:4 is enough, nethola. But bengifuna ukubona ukuthi izofika ku second target. So lana sine inversion, not inversion fair value gap. So that's a bearish fair value gap. So sibhekile ukuthi izoyenzani lapha. So isikhathi esithathile lapha akusisikhathi bengiyesi-expectile ukuthi izosithatha. Bengicabanga ukuthi maybe ilinde u4:30 la eSouth Africa sithi u4:30. So meanwhile why ngiyele ngabhaya la? Ngiyele ngabhaya because the price ithe my trader lower yaya into their consequent encroachment or a midpoint yaleya week leya lama weeks lawaya. Then ya creator in lower low, lower high, then higher low, then higher high. So leyo yini i-market structure shift leyenzeke lapha as annotated. Then ngiyela ngabheka ama points of interest, which is leya inversion fair value gap ngiyele ngayibona ne-order block but angizange ngayimark. So yilapha engene khona, then ngafaka i-stop loss sum lapha below layer low layer. So ngabukela i-market ngibona ukuthi izoyenzani. Then there i-5 minute chart obviously izothatha isikhathi ayifani na ku-1 minute. Ku-1 minute yezenza ka fast lezi zinto lezi. Uma ungachecka kahle la ubheke sine inversion fair value gap lapha. Price izoyirespecta le ngi-annotated lapha. Yiyo le i-price e-trader kuyo manje currently, nethola. So I'm waiting to see ukuthi price izoyirespecta or kanjani. Yele yayirespecta obviously because this is the next day which is Saturday, sorry. So sibhekile sifuna ukubona ukuthi price izoyenzani. La uyalinda guys, like you wait to see what you want to see. But as ngishilo, i-first target has already been reached. Bozobe sowuphumile lapha amangabe bo trader. So ngiyele nga shifter for isikhashanyana, then I came back. I-price bese i-traded above layer fair value gap layer, and le fair value gap le bearish le ngimakhe later on. Bengazi ukuthi i-price izoyi-treata as i-inversion fair value gap because it draw on liquidity. It was clearly layer buy side lapha phezulu, nethola. But because bekuyi-Friday on this day, i-price ayizange ya-trader above yona. Yele yadlala kuyo le fair value gap isikhathi eside. So lana few minutes later nakho ke price bese i-tradile into le fair value gap. Yele ya respecta le inversion fair value gap layer. So ya trader above yona le fair value gap layer sell ngale week layer bengimakhile lapha. So lokho bekubonisa ukuthi price iyafuna ukutrader above yona. So le bearish fair value gap kamele i-treat as i-inversion fair value gap maye, then isinikeze a push up into our draw on liquidity, nethola. Njengoba bengishilo vele it is Friday, so i-price ayizange ya trader above layer buy side layer. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's saving it for next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or any other day, nethola. So as you can see, price base alibele idlala isikhathi eside lapha. Ihlalile lapha isikhathi eside. You have to wait for these things to happen. Guys, I do see these things. I don't know if you see this thing. I'm not using a market replay or screenshotting these things. Like I see these things beforehand. And yeah, it's up to you if you log in or not, network. But then yeah, I'm grateful I can see these things. Thanks to ICT, guys. Yonke lento ngifunde ku ICT 2022 mentorship. Mangabe nizishayile ngaya niyoyifunda kuye. But mangabe nizishayile ukufunda kimi ngangitshela futhi nakhona. I don't mind teaching you guys. And guys, ngicela nikhumbule I have ama classes for my grade 11 and 12 maths and science. they are in now, already in, angazi isilungu sithini. So mangabe unomntana wakini oyenza maths or science, please refer them to me. Yeah, so ngizokhona ukubasiza nge-maths ne-science. Yeah, when I'm not trading, I'm teaching. I'm teaching math and science. So la bungaphuma 1:5 is enough. Aware gents, that is enough. And ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, share and like my content, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Aware.